Hello everyone, I'm Liana with Music Academy International, and in today's tutorials we're gonna go to part 2 of this beautiful Holy Jolly Christmas. Christmas is coming, it's October, and I hope you're ready to start practicing. We love Christmas, everybody loves Christmas. This is the book, it's an intermediate level, but even if you are even it's saying level 4, I would say even if you are level 3 or probably late-ish, level 2B, you'll be, good to go on this one. The main important thing is you to know a little bit the notes and, to not be afraid to move around anywhere you need. And practice. How to practice? Slow. How to practice? Separate. Memorize right hand, memorize left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, and then put it together. Slow. But you gotta just be consistent, okay? And then it will come in no time. Don't practice today and then come practice in next week. Practice a little bit today and then a little bit tomorrow, 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then you'll get it done, line by line. I have a saying, how do you eat an elephant? How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. That means one measure at a time, okay? So just do 1 or 2 measures at a time, okay? Listen how it sounds. You can either do it with 2 hands, Actually, it's this chord, E, G, and C, that just goes 2 times, and then you go 2 times, and then you go 2 times, and then you go 2 times. If it's too hard for you to do this line, you can just do with 2 hands. And then you attach the left hand. D, E, F, F, G, and G. Alright? So again, either you do with 1 hand, either you do with 2 hands. This chord 2 times, and then this chord 2 times. Doesn't matter what fingering you're using on the right hand or on the left hand. Right hand you can do 2 and 5. You can do it 1 and 4. Left hand you can do just with 1. You can do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You can do 2. Whatever it's easy for you. 1. On the 5th, that means on the D. You find it the D exactly as far as the 5th, because you just finished at A. You go on the 5th, D, E, F, F, sharp, and then G. On the G, you get ready on the right hand, and then you play B and G as well. It's a G chord, obviously, or you can do G, F, G, B, F, and G on this chord, and then open your palm and get me the other G below, right? So again. E, F, F, G, G. Right? And then what? Then you're gonna start. One, two, three, go down and crook it. on D, and then you just ending here on the, move one up on the right hand, and C, and again C with C, and then you're done. Or you can take it this one, start with number 4 here, right, and down. Or nothing. If you don't like to do that chord and it's bothering you, don't do it. Just do the C and end in C and another C. So this one is straightforward, there's not much interpretation. Make sure you have a nice staccato. Alright, so don't have a staccato like that. That's like an elephant jumping. Plop, 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 plop. No. I hope I'm funny. I don't know if I'm funny. Like, oh, yeah. Alright, so make staccato very sharp. You see, it's very sharp, like the keys are burning. You see, ouch, ouch, ow, ow. So you press, you're not coming on the staccato from the top like that. So you're pressing the keys into it, into the piano, and jump up. Like, I want to try the key, I want to try to see if it's burning. Ouch, ouch, you see? So I'm getting that's a staccato from the fingers. It's not from the wrist or from the arm. They're all kind of different staccato in piano, but this one you take it from the finger. So make sure you hit the note, you are on the note, and you are jumping up. And then whatever you want. You see how I'm touching the keys and jumping, and then jump, jump. So you jump up, don't do this, because you might not hit the keys, and it's gonna be, you know, like, yeah. So you gotta have really good tips, so stay on your tips. So I think this one is one of the most important technicality part of it. And then we're having a little bit of pedal. The pedal actually goes only on this beautiful part that is more romantic. Part A, part B here. Like, oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. I'm having an overlapping pedal. That means every measure it's up and down, cleaning up, going down. One pedal on this moment, I'm taking off the pedal and then put it down on the second count. Up, down. I hope you know how to do it. If you don't, you just do like that. Each measure, press again the pedal. And now the pedal is same way, each measure. Up. That's it. That's the only time where you using the measure. Other than that, you're just making sure you have the key staccato. And staccato. You can just do a staccato there to be fun and light. Okay, so this would be the part 2 of the tutorial of the Jolly Holy Christmas. I hope you enjoyed. You know the drill, share with your family. I just want to tell you, Music Academy International, it was created for helping low-income, students to give them scholarships so they can learn how to play the piano and share the love of piano with them for, not substantial money. So this is our goal. So please do share this video with your friends and family. Like it, subscribe, and look forward for new videos that I'm putting it all the time. Okay, Merry Christmas!